Hey, and welcome to a new day. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very quick morning routine you can do to wake up the body, to get the energy flowing in the body and remove that stiffness that you might experience in the morning after sleeping all night. There's days where you just don't have time to go on your mat and do a 20-minute, 30-minute or 1-hour yoga practice. Although you would love to, I know, but still you kind of want to feel better for the day and get ready, get excited, get energized for the day. So I will keep this very short and simple. We're going to do a couple movements and positions, and you don't even need a mat. You don't need really anything. You can do this anywhere in your home. And let's just start from the top of the body, and we're slowly going down towards the feet. Interlace your hands behind the back. Bring your hands over to your left hip, stand nice and tall. Relax your left ear down towards the left shoulder. Breathe into the right side of your neck. If you want, you can move the head forward and back 3 times. Come back to center. Let's come over to the other side, switch sides, stand tall. Release the right ear down towards the right shoulder. Stay there, breathe into the left side of your neck. Or if you want, move the head forward and back. Let's do 3 of those. Close your eyes if you like to. Nice and slow, deep breaths throughout the entire practice. And back to neutral. Very good. Bring your arms down to the sides, just like Tadasana, the palms are facing forward. With the arms straight, you start to go forward and back with your hands. Slowly reach your arms up. You're moving out to the sides and up, but you're bouncing with the hands forward and back. So when you're at the top, you're actually opening up the shoulders a lot, and you're also opening up the front side of your body a lot. Keep the glutes engaged. Slowly come back down with the hands. And let's do 2 more. Slowly up, arms open over your head. And back down. Last one, come out to the sides and up. And back down. Deep breaths through the nose. Very good. Find a good stance here, wider than the hips. You bring your hands close to your chest. You round into a little ball. You rotate over to one side. And then as you go over to the opposite side, you open the hands up and the arms up as wide as possible, so you offer the chest forward. Keep the arms straight, the fingers straight, that's very important. And you really want to feel this full upper body or chest stretch from the palms into the arms, the chest, all the way into the other side of your hands. And you come over to the other side. So I always feel like I'm golfing, although I have never golfed. It's kind of like this rotation. All right, let's do just 5 each side. So into a little ball, open to the left, ball to the left. Very good. Let's do 3 more. Open the chest, the arms, the fingers. Last one. Very good. Other side. From the left, you go over to the right. Also make sure that when you come over to the right, you lift that left heel up so you keep the left knee nice and safe. Let's do 5 of those. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Very good. Awesome job. Now find a really wide stance. The toes are pointing away from you and the thighs are tracking the same direction as the feet. So you're not doing something like the toes forward and the knees in like this. You actually then want to bring the heels more in, the toes are pointing outwards. In yoga we call this goddess pose, so we find something like that. You squat down. Now you have the lower body working, energizing, and you extend the arms out to the sides wide. Imagine you're holding a ginormous steering wheel in your hands, and you squat a little bit deeper, then you rotate that wheel to the right. So the right arm comes to the left arm comes up and over your head. You're stretching the left side upper body, and over to the left. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Now find a wide stance wider than the hips, but now the toes are pointing forward. Bend your knees, fold forward and down, keep the knees bent. Grab your head with your hands, grab the behind your head, and hang out here for a moment. So oftentimes, at least for me in my body, the hamstrings and the lower back is really stiff in the morning. So take a moment to just stay here. Maybe rock side to side. Give the body some time to open up. Then you could either continue to stay here, or you start to bounce with the knees bent, the chest towards the thighs, to find some more length in the back side of your body. It's important to also curl with your upper body into a little ball, so you tuck the chin to the chest, and we're going for 10. It's kind of fast, so this will be we will be going through this pretty fast. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Bend your knees, roll up to standing. Awesome job. Let's rotate. I'm at least going to rotate here so you can see me better. You stand as wide as your hips or a bit wider. You squat down. Send the knees down to the ground. So now we're stretching out the toes and the feet. Once the knees are down, you push the hips forward, engage your glutes, send the hips back, and come back up to that squat position, or kind of like a chair pose in yoga. Let's just do 2 more. Squat down, the heels lift, the knees come down, hips forward, engage those glutes, send the hips back, come back up, squat. Last one, down, and shift it forward. Keep the glutes engaged. With your right hand, you grab your right heel. The left arm is reaching forward. And you swing that left arm forward to the right, out to the side, and you go as far back as you can. Maybe the arm up and over your head, maybe not. Just do your best. You go as far as you can. Keep your glutes engaged. Flex your butt cheeks. And release. Bring the arm out to the side, forward, come around. Now we're switching sides. Left hand to the left heel, right arm comes forward, out to the left, up and over your head. As far as you can, as far as it accessible is. Engage your glutes, bring the arms out, forward. Let's do 3 more each side. And you go as deep as you can here. Keep the glutes engaged. The depth is not the goal. With this kind of practice, we're just opening up the body, opening up the front side of the body, especially in the arms. Let's do 1 more each side because it feels so good. And over. Last one here on the left. Finish up, coming to a seated position. Before you continue with your day, let's just take 5 deep breaths. Sit nice and tall. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill the lungs all the way up. Open mouth, let it go. Slow it down. Close your eyes. Deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, let it go. 3 more on your own. Last one. Beautiful job. Blink your eyes open. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling good, you're feeling energized and ready to have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.